iOS 18. How to make home screen icons dark on iPhone. Give your iPhone a sleek and modern makeover by transforming your home screen icons to a sleek dark theme. With the latest iOS 18 update, customizing your iPhone's appearance is easier than ever. In this simple guide, GadInsider will have compiled quick and easy steps to enable dark mode and change your home screen icons to a dramatic dark color scheme, giving your device a fresh and sophisticated look that's perfect for anyone who loves a touch of elegance and mystery. First off, tap the Settings app icon on your iPhone home screen, then scroll down the Settings menu and tap Display and Brightness. Tap the Dark Mode option. Toggle the switch next to Dark Mode to the right. It'll turn green. Go back to your home screen and long press on an empty area. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Home Screen and choose Dark Wallpaper. For individual apps, you can change the icon color to a darker shade. Long press on an app icon, then tap Edit Home Screen. Tap the icon again, select Color, and choose a darker shade. Your iPhone home screen icons should now have a dark theme.